The vocabulary word we are exploring now is cooking. Cooking. Cooking is where flavor, technique, and creativity meet. Whether you're sautéing vegetables or boiling soup, the act of cooking turns raw ingredients into meals that nourish and delight. Meaning of cooking. Cooking is the process of preparing food by combining, mixing, and heating ingredients. Examples: he enjoys cooking with fresh herbs. Cooking dinner helps me relax after work. We took a cooking class together for fun. Short story. Mira was nervous about hosting her first dinner party. She spent the afternoon cooking, chopping vegetables, boiling pasta, and setting timers. Her kitchen became a whirlwind of aromas. Guests arrived, and she served her homemade dishes with pride. They smiled, complimenting the taste. Cooking had transformed her anxiety into confidence, and the night ended with laughter and full bellies.